Here we are, 2 days before Halloween, and we have lost power as this Category 4 storm wreaks havoc upon our humble neighborhood. We have been out there and transformers have blown, and I think it is the ghost of lemons that is howling in the fireplace below. Now, as the eye passes over this humble abode, we will soon be without power, and hopefully the ghost of lemons below us in the fireplace, seeking refuge in the chimney, will be gone, and we will have nothing left but to eat our Halloween candy by ourselves and hope that the sugar fix will keep us up with energy as we face the perils of what comes.